Good morning, traders. I am up and I have just taken my first trade, my first entry there. Let me go set a stop really quick. I'll be right back. Okay, stop set to 59, so that's 7 ticks. Should be dropping out here unless it's going to be offset, but it should be dropping out. Here we go. Come on, drop out. By the way, yesterday in my charting service, I called out that to watch out for the special trade, and it looks like it's coming today again. So far, it's starting off to be one, and I'm going in the right direction right now. Let's see here. I'm just trying to think what I want to do with this trade. If I want to go for a big one, or whether I want to. Let me go calculate and see what I could maybe get. I'll be right back. I better just stick with the standard trades here because I don't really know where the exit's at right now. Okay, what am I at? 52, 32 would be 20 ticks. So I'll go for like 20, maybe 30 ticks, maybe. Looks like it's going to come down and break that low down here. Okay, I'm going to place a break-even stop on this trade. I'll be right back. Okay, break-even stop in place at 44.51. I want to try to get at least 20 ticks out of this, so down to 32, possibly even 22. We'll see what it wants to do. I got a break-even stop on it, can't lose. I'll come right back. It's going for the bottom. Just broke through the bottom here. I'm at 20 right now, looking for an exit. Looking for an exit. Looking for the exit here. Ready to take it. I'm gonna make a little dive down here. One little dive down. There's 22, there's 30 ticks. Come on, a little bit further. Just a little bit more. Nope, 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 riding you back up. Okay, that was my first trade. Got a little over 20. I should have had 30 off of it, but it didn't quite go far enough. If I'd have put a limit order out there, I could have got 30. Anyway, just free trading right now. I'll come back and take another entry and show the power of knowing my system, which tells you which direction it's about to go before it goes there, which is the ultimate way to trade, obviously. I'll come back shortly and take some more entries. Oh, by the way, forgot to mention this, but today I have switched to the 10/20/2015 contract. Again, I have switched to the 10/20/2015, October 20th, 2015 CL contract. I was with the September 22nd, 2015, and I've switched over, moved forward to the October 20th contract. So that's what I am using right now. And we had just gotten a long entry, but this special is to go down, and the daily is also to go down, and it's been going up a little bit and then rolling over and then giving a short entry and going down. So I'm just waiting for it to do that again. If it does, I'm going to take the short entry again, and it'll, most likely continue to go down, and I'll just score another trade. It's that simple. Trading takes patience and knowledge and discipline and some experience and putting it all together. and you get better and better and better. One of the dangers about trading like this is that for somebody like me who's so experienced at it, makes it look so easy, and somebody who doesn't have any experience but then also assumes that it's so easy, and it's so easy to sell at market, buy, get yourself going in the wrong way, make some wrong decisions, reverse and close a couple times doing the wrong way, and before you know it, the money that you had to play with is gone. Everything, it takes patience and discipline and experience and knowledge, using the right system, and you need to have the time to make your mistakes and then come back from them and survived and everything. I think everyone must make mistakes. I'm not sure that anybody could do this without making mistakes. The problem is you're playing with money. That's why the longer that you can practice, the better, because you'll make those mistakes, learn from them, correct them, keep trading, keep making more mistakes, correct them. And then after a while, you see that you're consistent, and you're consistent for a while over time. And then you know that you're ready to go. So yeah, practicing is very important. I know it sounds crazy, but you'd be surprised how many people don't practice. They don't even think to even practice. They just think that they're just going to come out and do what they see me doing, and they don't need any practice, and and then when it doesn't work, after they haven't practiced at all, they think, oh, this must not work. I mean, you'd be surprised. I mean, you think, oh, nobody would do something like that. You would be surprised. On the opposite end of the spectrum, I have seen people practice forever and never go live. And, and they're really good too. I mean, they're really good, but they just never go live, So it goes from one extreme to another, Okay, I have taken a long position here. It's giving me a long signal. We'll see what it wants to do. My only concern is that it won't go up very much, and it will come back down and roll back over. That's my concern. So what I would like to do is I'd really like to see it get ahead here a bit, and then I'm going to place a break-even stop on it, and I'll let it go. If it wants to come back and stop me out, go ahead. I'm trying to prevent the rollover trade, because this thing's been rolling over, rolling over, rolling over. It just gives a long entry, and if it doesn't go up very much, it's just going to roll over. Okay, placing a break-even stop, 44.25. 44.25 on the break-even stop. Where are we at? Placing it now. Okay, break-even stop is in place. Letting it go, and what I'm going to do is I'm about to get another signal here. And if this signal is a short, what's going to happen is it's going to come down, hit my break-even stop. At some point, I'll get the signal to go short, and then I'll take it short. And it'll be a rollover just as I called. Otherwise, what will happen is it will give a long signal, actually, and it'll go up. Now, it could come down and hit my stop burst and then go back up, or it'll just go straight up. One of the two. It's coming back down. Hasn't hit me yet, though. Okay, there we go. I'm out. All right, this is probably going to be exactly what I said, a rollover code. I'm going to come right back. I'm going to take the trade. Okay, it's not a rollover code. This thing is given a long signal. So I am in long. Let me go set the stop. Stop set to 24. That's 12 ticks. And we just have to worry about it being offset here. It could be. Let me go take a look at it and see if it might be. No, I don't think so. It should be right here. Going a bit slow. I'll be back in a minute here to see what it does. Stop has been placed. I'm just waiting for it to go up. I am going to play very, very conservative on this. Basically, we're going the wrong way. We're going up instead of down. And as soon as it gets ahead a little bit, I'm going to place a break-even stop on it, just like the last trade. I hope this thing doesn't roll over on me, because it very well might. I should have not taken the long entry and just waited for it to roll over, because that's the safe entry. That's the way it really wants to go. I'll bet you this thing's going to roll over right here. I should have just waited for it. I might just jump out right here, because unless it shoots up right now, I'm just going to jump out. I'll be right back. I can see this coming a million miles away. As soon as it hits 31, I'm jumping out. See, it's setting up right now perfectly to roll over, just like it normally has been doing. Yep, here we go. It's going to roll over. I'm jumping out. I'm about to get a signal as well. It's probably just going to be a rollover signal and go short. That's all. Okay, that's it. I'm jumping out right there. Okay, I'm about to take a trade. I'll be right back. What I should have done, the mistake was going long against the wrong direction. What's it doing? Is it going up or going down? It's going down. This is also off of a special as well. I already called this in my charting service. And all it's been doing is going up a little bit and then rolling over and going down. So what's the better trade to do? To take the little bit or to take the rollover going down? That was my mistake. Was taking the wrong trade. I'll be right back. Okay, I've taken another short position here. Let me go set the stop. I'll be right back. Okay, stop set to 44.35. That's 7 ticks. Make sure that's right. Yep, that's right. Okay, I'll be right back. Watch it or anything. Just let it go. It's coming down a little bit here, doing it rather slowly. We did get another short signal here now. That makes 2 of them. 2 short signals. Looking for it to come down some more. Looking for 20, 30 ticks off this trade. So it needs to come down to 20 at least. Possibly even 10 to get out. For it to make a nice drop. So I'll come back. Not going to place a break-even stop on this trade yet. I'm just free trading it, and if it gives a long entry, I'll go long. Otherwise, I've pretty much got it here, and it's going to continue to go down. I've set the stop to 44.32. It's sitting right next to the stop. If it pops up right here, it's going to hit my stop. Otherwise, it will continue to go down. Okay, stop has been hit on that trade. You can see it's choppy in here, so I'm having a little trouble hitting a bigger trade, but it'll happen. I'll come back shortly and take another trade. Okay, I have just taken a short position here, and I got a short signal, and I'll see if it wants to finally come on down here. Make its rollover trade like I've been waiting for it to do. So off to a good start so far. I want to wait for it to get down a bit. I'll place a break-even stop on it, and we'll see what this thing wants to do. See if it finally wants to come down. It might. Remember I said that, watch, it'll finally do it? Well, it might finally be ready right here. We'll see. I like to get a break-even stop on it, though, as soon as I can. I'll come back. Stop has been placed at 40, so that is a 5-tick stop. It's tight. It's real tight right here. Okay, I'll come back. Remember the other day it was 20-tick stops on every one? Well, today's much tighter. I just had to exit that trade. Looks like we've got a long signal now. I was expecting another short signal, and it looks like we just got a long signal here. Unless it's going to be offset. But it still may go down quite a bit and run 120 ticks. I just don't feel like sitting here waiting, watching it trade because it's very slow. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow. See you in the charting service today. Happy trading, traders. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're learning.